Leptitox review with facts about ingredients, side effects, results and more. Does Leptitox work? We review, you decide. I try to memorize it at every opportunity. The injuries and failures that you experienced in the past are long gone. Time and circumstances have changed, and you have changed also. So. Research tells us that the degree to which you are going to let past experiences impact your life today is up to you, and you also. 1. At my heaviest, I was never true to myself. I made up one excuse after the next not to start losing weight. How to use Leptitox. My clothes grew bigger and elastic waistbands became my new best friend. At the time, I believed I was doing everything humanly possible to take off the excess pounds. For years, I struggled to lose weight. I became depressed and was ensnared in a relentless, unhealthy weight vortex of yo-yo dieting. My private struggle is what motivated me to write this article for you. I would like to offer, so if you're someone who is looking to lose weight, chances are you've tried numerous things in your quest. Leptitox 60 capsules. Perhaps you've tried fad diets, fasting, and maybe even such drastic measures as laxatives and binging and purging. The fact of the matter is that no amount of dieting or eating healthy can take also of the weight off. It's most ways necessary to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine as well. However, for many adults in today's fast-paced world, getting regular exercise has fallen by the wayside. Leptitox Amazon regular exercise. You're probably thinking to yourself, who has time for that anymore? For starters, you do. And while it is hard to find the time, remember the adage that anything worth doing is worth doing right. So if improving your health is worth doing, it's worth doing the right way. If you're committed to making positive changes in your life, such as eating more healthy foods and getting enough exercise, you'll need to make the time for them. Strength training is important, as is cardiovascular exercise. Current guidelines recommend that you get at least 45 minutes of exercise, 5 to 6 days per week. If you don't have 45 minutes, consider breaking the time up into, say, 3 15-minute blocks throughout the day. Leptitox benefits. Things that get your heart rate up, i.e., cardio, like walking, bicycling, and running, are easy to divvy out in blocks of time and are good ways to get the cardio exercise you need to help lose weight. If you're the type of person who needs to be in the company of others working out to get motivated, then joining a gym might be something you should consider. Depending on the gyms near you, there are numerous types of memberships and payment plans, most of which are affordable. Not only that, but gyms typically offer group classes like yoga, Pilates, and step aerobics. Since their beginning in the late 1980s, step aerobics have taken the exercise world by storm. Imagine something as simple as going up and down on a riser, the step, and you've got step aerobics, usually done in time to music and by following the moves of the class instructor. It requires just a little bit of coordination and pays off in lost pounds. As a form of cardiovascular exercise, step aerobics is a great way to lose weight, especially when combined with a healthy diet. Not only do they burn calories, which help you lose weight, but they are also so great for improving endurance, balance, flexibility, and joint function. When also is said and done, they are a great way for you to lose weight. Leptitox diet. People who have had positive results using alternative healing therapies are often surprised by the fierce resistance that they read in the media against alternative medicine. The root of this resistance is most often backed by big pharmaceutical companies. Leptitox 60 capsules. There are certainly a lot of people who know they are overweight. Leptitox diet foods. These people either decide to try to be thin, or they are worried because they are satisfied with their condition. However, it should be noted that many people only realize that they are overweight as a result of an event in their lives. There are 3 triggers for weight loss. I would discuss this issue. The first is when a person separates from his long-term partner. The truth is that when people get into a relationship, they don't always have to think about being too skinny because their partner accepts them for who they are. When these relationships break down and they find themselves these changes because now they should try to think about attracting a new partner. This means that being overweight can stop them and affect their confidence. So it is very common for single men to try to find a new man. The second reason for weight loss is when friends of one person seem to have lost weight at the same time. While we are happy with how we look at this moment, when also, our friends lose a stone by half a stone or more, it is natural to explore our bodies and see how we measure them. So many people who went to diet because also, their friends did the same thing. The tragedy of also, this is that many of these people are not fat at first. They weigh a few pounds more than they want. Finally, another factor you would like to lose a few pounds is when you look at some of your photos and realize you're bigger than you thought. When you look in the mirror every day, you don't realize how you look at others, especially on the sidelines. So when you look at your picture or video, you realize that you are overweight, so also, of these things can lead to weight loss, and that's not a bad thing because it's a healthy thing. Your friends are often very polite to say you are carrying a few extra pounds at this time. So you often need one of these triggers to start your efforts to lose weight and gain fitness successfully. There are many foreign foods in the media. Leptitox diet reviews. They have been around for a long time and have to rebuild every year in the hope that the media will continue to inspire them. Encourage them, in particular, to praise the weight or diet. One of these refreshments is human food. It has been around for a long time, especially when it comes to also kaline foods, and wonderful foods. Maintaining pH balance. The body is very also kaline, so it is recommended to eat foods that contain also kaline foods. Leptitox dietary supplement. If you eat too many acidic foods, your system will become unbalanced, which can lead to many problems, including weight gain, fatigue, poor concentration, and stress. Eat foods that contain acidic foods and eat these foods. Also, kaline foods are good for your body and your health, helping to maintain a stable pH. Though acidic, also, kaline and pH terms are quite familiar, many dieters don't know what is, and these terms are related to health and nutrition. After receiving the green signal from your doctor, you can proceed with the Leptitox. If you plan to undergo gastric bypass surgery, it is good to know the procedures for proper weight loss after surgery. Abdominal surgery reduces weight gain in the first 6 months after surgery. During this time, weight loss will result in very rapid and satisfactory results. After 6 months, the weight loss appears to be stabilized and slow, but it does not stand up. Leptitox does it work? There will be a full year of weight loss after surgery, but after about 6 months there will be significant weight ups and downs. Leptitox does it work? This means that patients are consuming more calories and carbohydrates than they are also load and are not compensated for. So it is good for them to follow the gastric diet after abdominal surgery. The basic thing to remember as a diet is how much water your body needs. Patients undergoing abdominal surgery should drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Protein is the main ingredient in the diet of a person undergoing abdominal surgery. How much protein is rich in the right type of recipes? The main diet should contain about 20 grams of protein or more. Leptitox download. Meat, fish, poultry and shellfish are good sources of protein. 1 ounce of these ingredients contains approximately 7 grams of protein, so we need to eat an average of 3 ounces of these daily. Good sources of protein include eggs and cheese. In these protein-rich foods, fish and eggs are easy to make wonderful stomach foods. The diet plan also states the time of eating. Patients should eat at regular intervals, and snacks are strictly restricted between meals. Some people may need to eat small meals 5 or 6 times a day to maintain their physical needs. Food should be low in simple sugars, chocolate bars, fruit drinks, and soft drinks. A natural herb that promises to smell the bell is called Camellia sinensis, or green tea in general. It contains substances called catechin, a type of antioxidant that helps boost energy and metabolism and stimulates fat burning. It helps to quench your appetite. Green tea is popular as a beverage and an ingredient in herbal supplements. Paulina Capana, or guarana, is well known for helping you lose weight by boosting metabolism and acting like caffeine. Leptitox fat burn. It's no secret that caffeine is a stimulant that boosts mental alertness and fights fatigue. The guarana provides also this and enhances stamina and physical fitness. Leptitox foods. There was also so evidence that the guarana suppresses appetite and increased fat burning. Who heard of Hoodia here? Enter your local health store. You are obligated to view the main shelves and lined up in the front of the store. Hoodia is the #1 suppressor in the United States. Unlike other herbs, this medicinal herb suppresses the brain and appetite. Hoodia helps you lose weight by controlling and demanding blood sugar, which reduces fat storage. This herb comes from South Africa and is used to treat indigestion and inflammation. The less popular herb is Coleus forcalli, also so known as celius, which helps break down fat deposits and inhibits the production of adipose tissue. It boosts the metabolism and stimulates thyroid function. Celius has a terpenoid called forskolin, which is an active ingredient in this herb. Leptitox diet pills. It is the only plant-derived compound known to directly stimulate the enzyme cyclase adenylate, thus stimulating cyclic AMP, which promotes metabolism and helps with weight loss. It can indeed help with weight loss. Guggul contains ingredients that stimulate thyroid function and restore the metabolic rate to the right level. It is highly effective in accelerating fat loss and is highly effective in people with long-term leptitox. Leptitox price. Losing pounds does not become easier and faster, and when the metabolic rate returns to a higher level, more calories are burned. Now that you've heard about Guggul and his powers, I think you'll never forget the name. What you do to lose weight makes you fat. The word diet is common. Our community. You thought this was a kind of cruel and unusual punishment. Our meals were the first to fatten many of us. There seems to be a new fad every day, and each one seems more confusing than the next. Leptitox discount. These are some common nutritional problems. Low-fat foods became common in the 1980s and 1990s. Obesity rose simultaneously. This is not a coincidence. Our body needs some fat. We need healthy fats in our diets for brain health, energy, and even weight loss. Leptitox recipes. Unhealthy fats are the issue. How do we know the difference? See where the fat comes from. Healthy sources of fats include olive oil, coconut oil, and organic butter. Some unhealthy fats include packaged ingredients and fried foods. Also, though this may sound like common sense, we are often tempted to name ice cream called low fat. If fat is removed, the chemicals, and what is known, have been changed to maintain the shelf life of the structure. Low carbohydrates. This is another common food and confuses many people. The problem with low-carb cravings is that it rarely explains the difference between good and bad carbohydrates. Poor carbohydrates, high blood sugar, can quickly increase blood sugar. These are difficult for the pancreas and cause a decrease in energy. They cause enlargement and waistlines. Good carbohydrates, low blood sugar, should be in your daily diet. These were in the form of fruits and vegetables. You wonder what this means. Leptitox review results. These are some great facts, but how do you use them in everyday life? Simply, eat the food your grandparents ate. Eat whole fruits and vegetables daily as much as possible. Sweet potatoes, leafy vegetables, and whole fruits are the best food in your life. For meat, look for lean meats and avoid pork as much as possible. Don't go to the sea with the nutritional information there. It's easy to use as an excuse. Start with small daily steps. Make sure to include fruits and vegetables in your diet daily. Add lean meats and healthy fats and get rid of canned foods. Keeping these differences makes life results better. It was found that high-quality, healthy and balanced sleep cycles significantly affect a person's metabolic health through balanced control of appetite, nutritional appetite, and excess hormones. Leptitox reviews. Research studies now indicate that a comfortable night's sleep not only leads to fatigue but also prevents weight loss. The effect of sleep on body weight is directly or indirectly related to its effect on certain hormonal changes that promote weight gain. How sleep affects the secretion of leptin, ghrelin, and insulin, also, hormones that play important functions in controlling appetite. There is a need to consider the role of fatigue and stress, both side effects of insomnia, and their effect on the stress hormone cortisol. Some of these hormones were highlighted by a study by researchers at the University of Bristol. Leptitox Shark Tank. In their research, scientists noted that people who had 5 hours of sleep a night had a 15% decrease in leptin production and a 15% increase in ghrelin production compared to 8 people. 1 hour of sleep a night. The study found that lack of adequate sleep affects glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance or insomnia usually leads to the accumulation of excess glucose in the bloodstream and the storage of body fat. The study concluded that insomnia may stimulate appetite and hunger for foods rich in sugar and calories. First of all, leptin is derived from the Greek word for slim, a protein hormone produced by fat cells. Leptitox supplement leptin acts as an appetite suppressant for natural biochemistry, making you feel full and satisfied by sending enough signals to the hypothalamus your body is eating insufficient calories and thus stop eating. Leptitox review results. Low levels of leptin caused by insomnia is a person who has to overcome persistent hunger feelings and increase appetite. Also. Lack of adequate sleep affects leptin by reducing sleep hormone, melatonin. Melatonin helps to heal and restore the sensitivity of leptin receptors. Leptitox video. Leptin resistance or insomnia is the desensitivity of the brain that results from eating too much. Leptin effect or the inability of transmitted chemical signals by leptin hormones that secrete the blood-brain barrier. Failure to receive or misinterpret leptin signals can cause the brain to not get the "I'm full" signal properly, leading to an individual's tendency to indulge. The fact is that many people are not aware of many excellent and interesting free ways to help the body burn fat. This lack of awareness and therefore the use of some of these methods can be a barrier to achieving weight loss goals in many people. Leptitox weight loss. Many studies now indicate the need for someone trying to reduce weight, not only calories but to start counting sheep, in sleep problems. Lack of night sleep has been shown to hinder many metabolic and hormonal processes. The body. Sleep deprivation has been shown to increase appetite and affect the body's metabolism in difficult ways to reduce and maintain weight. When the body does not get enough sleep, we usually feel depressed and depressed easily. Evolution affects our behavior and often does not cause us to consume many carbs and fatty foods emotionally or unconditionally. What happens during sleep? When you sleep, the body closes to relax. The concept of basal metabolic rate (BMR), also referred to as the residual metabolic rate (RMR), immediately comes into perspective. What is Leptitox BMR? Is the total energy your body needs to perform certain physiological functions, such as maintaining heart rate, blood flow, breathing, and body temperature while relaxing. This energy is about 60 to 80% of the total calorie consumption. https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/weight_loss Leptitox review. How to use 60 capsules. Amazon benefits. Diet foods, diet pills, diet reviews, dietary supplement. Does it work? Download fat burn foods ingredients meal plan discount before and after PDF pills price recipes review results reviews Shark Tank supplement video weight loss what is where to buy reviews.